Hello, guys, and welcome again. JasmyCoin is pumping again. And at this point, many who might not be positioned before now might be thinking this is the best time to buy and they want to get in. Yeah, it might be the best time to buy, but there are some information you should also know about this token that should guide your decision. There is an upcoming event that might cause a lot of volatility for JasmyCoin and might even make the crypto maybe crash. So, and we need to talk about that. But before we go into that detail, let's check the price analysis. So, in the past 24 hours, Jasmy Coin is up by around 14%. The market cap is also up by the same number. Now it's above 259 million in market cap. The trading volume is also up by around 238% in the past 24 hours. This is actually the major trigger behind Jasmy. The trading volume has been up, the momentum has been up, and that has been pushing the price up. And if you check the weekly time frame, you'll see that the price is up by close to 50% in the past 1 week. And looking into the charts, we'll see that the spike started on Wednesday last week, August 19, and since then we've had more than 50% spike. And it's just normal to think, oh, this is going up, maybe the altcoin season is back and it's time to buy Jasmy. And we need to be careful there because the price is close to a key resistance here. In fact, if you look at the daily time, you see it's rejecting here. Let's check the 4 hours so that you'd see that there's a little rejection there, a little rejection. So you'd see that here, when the price got here, it started having this down this week, a rejection week, then this hammer-like candlestick, then it's not really smooth here yet. And one thing you need to actually check is also that it's close to a resistance. Look at this level here. This is a key resistance here. Yeah, that's a key resistance and it's trying to break above it. So it's actually a zone because, yeah, it's a zone. We can also extend the resistance to somewhere here. It's a zone. Yeah, so that's our zone of resistance. It's a very strong one. And if the price is able to break it, then we are going upper and higher. All right. So right now we need to break above the 0.0054 level. A break above that point, points higher for Jasmy coin. Uh, all things being equal, this shouldn't be a big deal. I mean, the resistance shouldn't be a big deal if this momentum continues. But there are some things you would need to check around Jasmy coin, and this could even be um, the current buying momentum could even be by some traders who actually want to sell their position before September 14, and they are trying to buy more, push the price up, get as much as they could before they sell their position because two major Korean exchanges, South Korean exchanges, are delisting the token. All right. So there's a delisting risk, as I've said. Upbit and Bithumb are delisting JasmyCoin on September 14, and that's just around 3 weeks from now. And based on the current data, we might be having a 20 to 50% dip in the trading volume for Jasmy if this delist after this delisting actually we might be having as much as a 20 to 50% dip in trading volume. Yeah, and also the market cap might be going down. It's actually very likely because we might have users who have lost confidence in Jasmy and they want to buy another token. And since Upbit and Bithumb are the listing, it might also be more like a negative sign for some people. It might bring a negative sentiment towards the token. Remember, just sometimes, was it last year, when there was this scare about Binance delisting Jasmy. So, but right now it's coming again, and not from Binance this time, from Bithumb, from Upbit, and this delisting scare might draw away a lot of buyers. So that's why I think that the current push upward might be people buying a lot just to um, recover some of the losses they've made, because it's been the bear market has been so strong, and Jasmy holders have been in a lot of, I would say, shit. Because if you see from just 2025 May, the price has dipped by more than 70%. Just from 2025 May, that's dipped by more than 70%. And so the current bullish move might just be a point for many people who want to buy, pushing to buy, buying aggressively so that they can scoop what they can scoop, and get out of the market before the listing. Now, long term, the way the market reacts to this issue will determine how Jasmy behaves in the long term. Okay, we know that right now the developers have worked on the Jasmy chain, and right now Jasmy is operating on Ethereum and Jasmy itself. And if the Jasmy chain begins to see more use and Jasmy is also used within the chain consistently, it might create some form of demand for it. But right now, JasmyCoin is in some kind of risk, and you need to know about that before you make the decision to buy. I hope you enjoyed this. If this has helped you in one way or the other, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.